Some of the most common repairs on a furnace would be clean the burners, clean the sensor, oil the motor, clean the filter, check the evaporator pad on the humidifier, check the UV light, or if you're hearing certain squeaks or rattles, or if there's water coming from beneath the furnace, it might be a telltale sign that you need a new furnace. That's why I find it important that customers have annual maintenance. It's advisable to have a professional service your system because he's been well trained on how to service it and do it correctly. If you have the furnace cleaned, they'll advise you on what to do with a certain piece of equipment. Your heater needs regular maintenance for it to run correctly. We specialize in heater repair and maintenance. Call us today so your heater doesn't leave you in the cold this winter.